Today is January 5th, 2022, National Whipped Cream Day. I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make whipped cream. It's super easy to do. I was well into my, I think, 30s before I'd ever made it for the first time. And then when I realized how easy it was, I guess it didn't change my life. I still often will just use pre-made stuff, but it's really easy to do. So we're gonna start off. I chilled a bowl. You don't have to do this, but it'll keep your ingredients cooler longer. And normally I would make this in my big stand, but so you guys can see it better, I've got my little hand mixer. All right, so we got 1 cup of whipping cream. You can buy it at the grocery store. It looks like this. We'll add that in. Now you could just whip it like this, but you probably want it sweetened. So I've got 3 tablespoons of sugar here that I'm gonna add. And then I'm gonna add some vanilla extract. You can add different kinds of flavoring depending on what you want it to taste like. My cousin and her husband make their own vanilla and they gave this to me for Christmas. It's Madagascar vanilla extract. I'm really excited. This is the first time I'm gonna use it. Anyway, depending on if you want flavoring or not is how much sugar you're gonna add. So if you weren't gonna add flavoring, you'd only add 2 tablespoons of sugar rather than 3. And then you've got all your ingredients here and you're just gonna whip it. And the key is to whip it until soft peaks form. And I will show you what that looks like when it's done. Okay, so that took me about 3 minutes, I think. And let me show you what it looks like. You see that? Now how you know that it's soft peaks are formed is that when you're whipping and the peaks stay after you whipped it, that's how soft peaks are formed, or that's how you know that your soft peaks are formed. You have to be careful because if you whip it too long, it becomes, the texture and the taste becomes like butter. I know from experience, I did that one time and it doesn't taste very good. Anyway, so that's how you do it. And then you've got this great, oh, that was not a good view. Great whipped cream right here. And it's super easy to do. It takes only less than 5 minutes. So happy National Whipped Cream Day.